Hey guys, what's going on? Just cleaning up some of the rear control arms here today. Thought I'd show you guys the process. I went ahead and got some soapy water with Dawn dish detergent that was real hot and scrubbed them down with the brush here. And then after I cleaned them up with the brush, I used this Turtle Wax bug and tar remover on them and sprayed that on, left it sit for a few minutes, and then scrubbed it again, cleaned them up pretty good. There's still a little bit of residue, as you can see here on the control arm, so I'll show you guys what I do to kind of get the rest of that residue cleaned off there so they look nice and shiny. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead here and start with the smaller one. I have a thing on the air compressor here that I use. It works pretty good. I'll show you guys here. As you can see there, it pretty well cleans it up to looking almost brand new. So I'll go through the rest of these there and I'll show you guys, sort of what they look like all after I'm done. And the other tool that I'll be using today is this buffer. It does pretty much the same thing. So if I can't get any of the areas with the die grinder, I go ahead and use the buffer, and as you can see, it's very similar to how the die grinder shines it up. So these will look, for the most part, brand new after I'm done today. So you guys can just go ahead and continue to watch here. Alright guys, got them all cleaned up here. I went ahead and got the nuts off of the ball joints there. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the sandblaster and sandblast them, get them prepped for plating. But first I wanted to show you guys how they turned out. Looks like they're pretty shiny and pretty well looking brand new. So I'll go over here to the sandblaster and show you guys the blasting process. Come over here, the buffing wheel, and buff them off. All right, well, these are ready to be plated. So I'm gonna go ahead and set them up here for plating. Well, hopefully you guys found that interesting. Some of the steps that I've been going through here to restore the car, you know, as best as I can. But if you guys are interested in what I use to clean the control arms up today, it is these pads here. I got them off primemx.com. This is the more abrasive pad, and then this is the softer pad that gives it a nice buff finish. And then here's the one that I got here on the die grinder. It just slides in there and does its job. It was a 3-inch pad there whenever I first got it. Of course, you know, using it, it has come down in size a significant amount. The other pad that I got was a 2-inch pad. It did really good for the tight areas. I just couldn't get, you know, the life out of the pad as much as the 3-inch pad because of how much it deteriorated and how quick it deteriorated. But hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the video here today. You know, I hope that you continue to watch the videos, and thank you for watching.